Miguel Aniago de Mercadal, and don't forget to subscribe. I am here to post about the members of the Miming Cat family. Let's wait. Okay, here are the main members. David, Milky, Jinky, Marshmallow, Rainbow, Bella, Tiger, and Putty. Some don't have pictures. There is a note that we have Sky Blue, Cupcake, Bubbles, Dice Kittens. There's no names of the Tiger's newborn kittens yet. The rest aren't listed here yet. It will be updated on April 9. Thanks! Don't forget to subscribe!